Hey guys, welcome back to Quad Nation, and as you can see, this is not the typical video because this isn't a sport quad. This thing is an absolute beast from hell. I just want to demonstrate the power of a Kubota skid steer with the tracks. This is actually more fun than a Raptor. Make sure you buckle up because we could flip over. That's almost as important as kicking up your kickstand on a dirt bike. Get it, Quad Nation! Y'all thought I could only ride sport quads, huh? Go ahead and turn the parking brake off, safety off. We're ready to rock and roll. This is your tracks. This is your bucket. Here we go. Turn the throttle up. I'm going to demonstrate the power of this Kubota. Here we go. Oh, guys! Holy! I got the whole stuff there, guys. Half of it. Y'all thought Quad Nation was cool on sport quads. Wait until you see me in action on this thing. Oh man, this is absolutely sick, guys. Here we go. She doesn't have the power to pull it up, so if you kind of jerk it a little bit, just jerk it, guys, like that. You can use the bucket and the tracks to help pick it up. This thing is it is an absolute beast. Just keep jamming it, guys. Come on, baby. Come on. We'll take this load out of there. Oh man, guys, this is too much fun. I have got to buy me one of these. Come on, baby. Pick it up. You act like it's heavy or something. Alright. When you rent these, I'm not sure if this is really what they know you're going to be doing with it. Come on, baby. There we go. Jerk it a little bit more. Let's rip one of these legs off. I was going to dig it out, but it's just way too mucky right here. So, oh, yeah! Y'all missed it. There goes another half. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. This thing is an absolute beast. I know some of you are saying, oh, it's a rotten stump, but still, rotten or not, those freaking oak trees, you can't kill them. You really can't. Oh, full send, Quad Nation! Full send! Yeah! Get her, boys! Get it, Quad Nation! Y'all thought I could only ride sport quads, huh? I should start renting these for entertainment. YouTube would pay for it, I'm sure. Oh, hell. We're making a big hole. All right, let's go dump this slush real quick. Oh! Put it in high speed for you there, boss. All you do is you just tap that button and it shows the green little hair on there, the green little rabbit. Oh, let's back her off back to the tortoise. Being a little bit dangerous with this thing. All right, here we go, boys. Oh, oh hell! Oh man, did y'all see that? Oh man, it's like sinking sand right here. And she just comes right on out. Come on, baby. Come on, Quad Nation. Yeah. Get it, boys! Get it, boys! Oh, God. Whoa! Spinning on that one. Go ahead, keep filming. This is going to make some money, boys. Oh, there's another stump. Oh, I'm on another stump. Hold on. All right, guys. What do you think? Hold on. Let me pick it up. Hold on. I'm going to pick it up for you guys. Hold on. All right, when you're stuck, this is how you get out. Dig down and push yourself out, just like that. Just like that. Let me go over here real quick to pick this stump up and then we'll be done. Almost done, Bubba. Alright, guys, look at this. I even got a freaking snake. Holy, look at that. Think its head's cut off. Yep, that's a king cobra right there, boys. Right here in Florida, king cobra. Look, this ain't no rubber snake. His tail's still moving. Look at that. If y'all ever encounter one of these, somebody let it out of their aquarium. That's a king cobra, boys. That's just a baby though. But you can see its big old hood. Look, see that big piece coming off right there? That's its hood right there. That's a king cobra right there. Those things grow over 45 foot long. So as you can see, this thing is an absolute beast, guys. It is. Oh God, look, it was working through. Oh, I just lost my shoe. Oh, shoot. So this gives you an idea of actually what it was working through, guys, and did not, I mean, this, look how thick this stuff is. Holy, oh, shoot. Mateys. Oy. Look, this thing is just an absolute beast. It really is. It really, really is. I don't know all the specs, but I can tell you this much. If I get one, I'm going with the tracks. I'm gonna get a Kubota SVL 65. This thing, wait until y'all see the tabletops and berms we're gonna make with it. Oh, if y'all are watching this just simply because you're looking at a Kubota or the skid steer with tracks and you don't know about my quad channel, definitely give it a follow if you like quads and dirt bikes. But if you came here simply for the demonstration of power from this Kubota. Guys, it's sweet. This one only got about 70 hours on it. I did not buy it. I'm not, no, I don't have that kind of money, but I rented it, take care of this stuff, and I have to say, if you can rent one of these bad boys, do it. They're sick. I mean, look at this. I can barely push that thing over. It freaking pulled it out of that mud like it was a toothpick. Appreciate you, boys. Turbo diesel. I think it's got like 8 turbos. Jet, yeah, it's turbine, that's right. But it's got a huge bucket, and you'd think it'd be too much for it, but it's really not. It's unreal how much torque this thing has in the arms and the tracks, and the cockpit it really makes you feel like you're in an F-18. This thing's sweet, boy, so hope you like it. And for now, guys, it's Quad Nation 929. I'm out.